bird just caught a fish. That is crazy. Got like 10 or 15 of them over there. Here in South Carolina, I don't know if they're illegal to hunt or it's just because of the city limits, but I've never seen so many geese in my entire life. Or ducks, for that matter. And if you look over here, do not feed or disturb out the alligators. No fishing or swimming. We just got turtles chilling on the bank. It's probably gotta be my favorite thing about living in South Carolina so far. The beach is incredible, but I just love the wildlife, man, all the animals. What do you think, Memphis? Huh? Buddy, what do you think? I think one of them birds will mess you up, boy. You try them. You got slobber hanging from, look at me, look. We got slobber hanging from your mouth and all. What's up, birds? Come here, don't get too close.